this up more. Yeah. Perfection. All right, you guys, I'm about to color my hair by myself today. You guys can see my hair is all black, but this all needs to be the color blonde. Put on this little cape. I got this from cosmetology school. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. So I have on my cape, I have on the brush. You have to have a mixing bowl. I'm using Salon Care Prism Lights Violet Powder Lightener. So it's on or off the scalp, max lightening, 5 levels of lift. Purple tone removes gold/yellows. So that helps me instantly, like, not have to use a toner as much because there's the purple color in there. I use the 40 volume developer by Salon Care. I need processing caps. By the way, I will have everything linked down below as well, so you guys can just buy it all online and do it too. And then I need some gloves, okay? So yeah, I go in with this pre-color treatment. I just spray this all over. Here's a bowl. I'm just gonna go in with some of the hair color. But it's so much easier to do it at home by yourself, because to buy everything it costs maybe like $70. But if you're getting your hair done every time, it adds up. And I've been having this for a while now. So I put in the purple color, as you guys can tell. Just take a look. So I'm about to just pour the 40 volume, and I just mix equal parts. So however much I pour of the powder, I pour of the bleach. You really like cannot go wrong. And then I mix it up. And this should be good. So this consistency is about what I go for. You guys see the consistency? Not like falling all over the place. Yeah, it can drop. So you guys see? But it's like thicker. A little thicker. You guys see? Here's the consistency. I can't believe I'm about to color my hair on YouTube. It was just way easier just to talk through it like this now that I think about it. So also when you're at home, you're going to need a mirror to check to make sure you get the back. Spray in your pre-color treatment. Just make sure it colors correctly. Then I just brush all my curls out to make sure that I get every piece of hair. So yes, the hair that's already blonde gets recolored, but it gets cut off eventually anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it's like when I get a haircut, there's new black that has to be colored. But since my hair is so short, I can't avoid not coloring the blonde. I'm about to put on some of my gloves. So I like to start, honestly, towards the back. So you guys see all that black in the back? I'm just gonna go through, take my mirror, it's so easy, and literally just paint. Oops. And if something gets on my skin, I like to get it off. Ooh, it stinks, y'all. So now the goal is to be more careful because we don't want to have to deal with that every trick. So I start in the back, work my way up. Yes, this is real bleach on my head. And the closer you get to the top, the more easier that part gets to do. So the closer I get to the top, the more precise I like to get with my application. So I just try to make it like a precise, nice, even, like circle, I guess, around my head. A smooth line. So yeah, get them edges. So if I get it a little too close to the area that I don't want, I'll just take it, wipe it off real quick. Now that it's like all over my hair pretty much, I'm just gonna go through and make sure at like the top, the sides here. Here's the remainder left after that whole process. I normally just like to take the remainder, because there's not a lot left really, and just put it all over. Just because the more bleach, the better bleach that's going on. And I just like to really make sure I get those hairs on the sides. Get them baby hairs, girl. 19 minutes and 35 seconds in. So as you guys can tell, that took like no time. So right now it's 9:43. So let's do the math. 17. I like to leave it on for 50 minutes. So at 10:33, we're gonna take this off. So now that that whole process is happening, we're just going to take off our drape, okay? Because we don't need that on no more. We're gonna fold it up. So now I'm going with the processing cap so everything stays in there, all the heat and stuff, because we're gonna have this on for 50 minutes. And that just instantly gets my hair white. Like personally, that's all I have to do. I don't even have to tone it. Like my hair isn't about to be orange or anything. It's so crazy. And I think it's because this bleach is also purple. So like as you guys can tell, it already has like some of that toning technology. So I'm taking one of my salon care processing caps. Okay. And all I'm gonna do is put on my processing cap. I don't know if my ears should be in it, but for today's look, my ears gonna be in it. Oh, my ears, okay. So, I have on my processing cap. So all you do is literally just leave it, okay? So I'm leaving it alone for 50 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back at you all when it's time to rinse and wash it off. But let me just talk about that process real quick before we even get started. So once 50 minutes goes by, I hop in the shower, I start to rinse off the bleach. Then I go in with a light shampoo of my Shimmering Lights shampoo for blonde and silver hair. Okay, it's gonna tone it, it's gonna do a little bit, but I only rinse it off and add a little bit just to get off that bleach. Then I instantly go in with my Ion After Color treatment, which helps to close the cuticle. It makes my hair soft, okay? I will have this link down below and listed down below. Go back in with my shampoo and I'll leave that on for like 2 minutes. Wash that off. Go in with my conditioner. I'll leave this on for like 10 minutes, even though it's supposed to be 4 minutes. But I'll leave it on for a little bit longer just so it can tone my hair. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm not going to film me washing off this color. That's what I'm trying to describe to you guys, the process now. But I think I'm going to come to you guys at the end of the video too. I'm about to wrap up this portion and then I'm going to come to you guys when my hair is revealed. Okay, you guys. So there's literally 1 minute left. So I'm about to just take this off. Yikes. Ew. So that's that. With all the bleach in there. And it's on my hands. I want to wash this off quick, so. Oop. Oop, there's the alarm. It's time to take this stuff off. All right, you guys. So it's time to wash it off. And here is my hair fresh out the shower. I personally dry my hair off with a t-shirt because it's softer, like on your hair or whatever. And yeah, oh, look at that. Platinum, baby. It's like white. So you see it's white pretty much. And what happens is over time, it gets more into like a duller blonde color, blonde, and then it grows out, and then I cut it, and then I redo it. And that's my life, y'all. All right. Hey you guys, so I'm back and here is my hair colored, makeup done. I'm so happy with the results. Everything that I told you guys in this video is the exact steps to achieve this blonde hair. So go get your hair cut, girl. Go paint your hair with some bleach, shampoo, conditioner, and you is good, okay? So I hope you enjoyed. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up for this super helpful video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.